Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. And if you're looking for something this winter to keep your immunity up, a lot of people like to use turkey tail. It's a type of a mushroom, and it's by Host Defense, and many people enjoy using it to help boost their immunity. They're a company from Washington State, and when I used to live there, a doctor from Washington State recommended Host Defense, and that was a while back, and I've been using this brand ever since then. The capsules are just regular size, as you can see here. They're easy to take, and I don't take these all the time every day. I'll take them when I want to keep my immunity up, or maybe someone's sick around me. And this bottle has 120 capsules in it. So I will take 2 at a time. That's the typical serving, and these are just such high quality. They're non-GMO and they're also organic. So if you're looking for a different way to boost your immunity this year, maybe give turkey tail a try. I think it's a super good product. I love it, and that's my point of view.